Okay, today we're gonna make some low-carb, keto-friendly everything bagel bites. We got a little bit of Weight Watchers cream cheese on a low-carb tortilla. Just gonna butter it up with the cream cheese. So now we're gonna take some everything bagel from Trader Joe's, really good. I'm gonna sprinkle it on as much as you like. Now we're just going to roll up the tortilla. We're going to give it a little spritz of butter spray. Now we're going to chop it up into little bites. You can even give them a little splash of more seeds on top if you want. Oh, yum! Low carb keto.